We're en route to Slough or San Luis Obispo.
Coming up to the Central Coast is like a mini vacation. I feel like I'm in Narnia right now. It's beautiful.
Today's chefs are Jeff Olson.
We leave the skin on this when we cook it. It gets delicious and tender and gives it a great funky flavor.
Explain what funky means.
Like a barnyard taste. I don't know.
It's addictive, though.
Yes, completely. I love it.
And Alex Thermopoulos.
Raw herbs like rosemary and oregano, they're very, very pungent. So
They're called the hard herbs, aren't they?
hard herbs, yes.
We're heading to the mountains to source some gorgeous goat's cheese.
Spring is the best time of the year. The animals are eating fresh green grass.
All for a hillside feast of 15 friends and family.
I see you got the bone. Yes. Get it.
Cheers, everybody. Cheers. Next on A Movable Feast with Fine Cooking Magazine.